Hi guys, in my last video I discussed about some of the house plants that are toxic to cats and dogs. Here are some more plants that are potentially dangerous to your pets. This beautiful house plant is English ivy. Ivy sure looks pretty tumbling out of a planter or cascading down a brick wall. But things will not be pretty if your dogs and cats eat its leaves. Several varieties of ivy contains toxins including triterpenoid saponins and polyacetylene compounds which cause excessive drooling, vomiting, diarrhea and abdominal pain in your pets. This is snake plant. Snake plants, often referred to as mother-in-law's tongue, is well known as one of the best plants for low light conditions and for improving air quality, which has made it an extremely common house plant. Snake plants are non-toxic to humans, but it contains saponins, which are toxic both cats and dogs. Next is Dracaena or corn plant. Vomiting, sometimes with blood, is the main symptom when the corn plant is ingested, but it can also lead to loss of appetite and depression. This reaction is caused by compounds called saponin, which are dangerous for both dogs and cats. Next in this list is Philodendron. Philodendron is a popular house plant for its low maintenance needs. Most popular philodendrons are monstera. They also referred to as Swiss cheese plants or split leaf philodendrons. But if ingested, calcium oxalates in the leaves can irritate dogs and cats' mouth, resulting in swelling, burning, and occasionally difficulty breathing. This is Dieffenbachia or dumpkin. This common house plant has a type of toxicity that you will see in some other tropical plants such as philodendron. The leaves contain tiny, sharp calcium oxalate crystals that can irritate a dog's mouth and cause severe swelling and burning of the mouth and tongue. Rarely, this irritation can lead to difficulty breathing. This is peace lily. Peace lily is a choice of house plant for those who want to create an elegant look. But if your pet eats it, it's not worth it. The peace lily is another plant that contains calcium oxalate crystals which cause intense oral irritation, excessive drooling, and difficulty in breathing and swallowing. Next plant in this list is cactus. Cactus species are mainly grown as the ornamental house plants. Most of the plants of this family are toxic and create a potential danger to house pets due to their thorns and spikes. This is Asparagus Fern. Asparagus ferns are popular plants for indoor use because they are hardy, easy to care for, and need little water and sunlight. This light, airy plant contains a steroidal agent called saponin, which is highly toxic to dogs and cats. Ingesting this plant or the berries it produces may cause diarrhea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and skin inflammation for your fur babies. Now come to the number one toxic plant in this list, that is sago palm or Cycas revoluta. The sago palm lends an instant exotic look to your home, but every single part of the plant, from the seeds and the roots, all the way to the leaves is poisonous to dogs and cats. This plant has such a bad reputation as a house plant poisonous to dogs that it's listed in the top terrible toxic houseplants list. The toxin, cycacin, can cause vomiting and diarrhea. In severe cases, it can produce seizures, lethargy, and liver failure. This houseplant must be avoided at all cost if you have a pet, especially cat. Now, how we can prevent our pets from ingesting toxic houseplants? Here are some tips. Number 1. Identify toxic plants. Before you can protect your pets, you need to know the culprits. Number 2. Place plants out of reach of your pets. Number 3. Pick up any fallen leaves or petals around your plants. Number 4. Crate or confine your dog when you are not at home. Now, how we can protect cats from toxic plants? Cats live on counters, shelves, and tables. This poses a serious problem for cat owners. Here are a few ways to protect your cat's life. Number 1. Remove all toxic houseplants from the home. Give your highly toxic houseplants to a friend without cats, or keep them in a cat-free greenhouse. Number 2. Place arrangements under glass. Glass terrariums make excellent alternatives for cat lovers, especially those with destructive kitties. Number 3. Place toxic plants in a room your cats avoid. Number 4. Cat repellents would offer a solution. Natural and chemical products exist in the market. However, experts disagree about their efficacy. Give your pets safe toys. One of the reasons why your pets love to destroy your plants because it offers everything a toy does. It's some sort of boredom reliever. If this is the case with your furry friend, then it's best to buy them toys that they can bat at or a chew toy to occupy their time. Next, use positive reinforcement with your pets. For example, give your pet a small treat whenever he or she is staying away from your plants. Citrus or coffee ground can give off a strong smell that most pets hate, which will keep your pets safe from your plants. Now the question is, what to do if your pet has eaten a poisonous plant? Number 1. Remove your pet from proximity to the plant. Note the plant's name if you recognize it or take a picture of it. Number 2. Make sure your pet is breathing, alert, and behaving normally. Place a call to your vet. A professional can tell you whether you need to treat your pet at home or bring her to the vet. Number 3. Call your vet or the nearest emergency veterinary clinic immediately if your pet is not behaving normally. Number 4. Avoid any at-home remedies or antidotes making your pet to vomit. Remember, the sooner you get help, the better the chances your pet can recover from poisoning. Now, all pet lovers should keep in their mind that an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. So, make a checklist of toxic and non-toxic plants before you bring greenery into the home or plant in the yard or garden. Your pet and your vet will thank you.